Hi guys, I'm gonna be singing Strawberry Wine, and hope you like it. He was working through college on my campus farm. I was thirsting for knowledge, and he had a car. Yeah, it was caught somewhere between a woman and a child. The restless summer we found on growing wild on the banks of the river and around beach and side. Shining all those memories their lives like strawberry wine in 17. The hot July noon, so everything. The first taste of love was bittersweet, green on the vine, like strawberry wine. Yeah, I still remember when Daddy was old. My biggest fear was September, and he had a goal. Few cards and letters in one long distance call. We drifted away like the leaves in the fall. But year after year I come back to this place just to remember the taste of the strawberry wine. And 17, the hot July noon. So everything, the first taste of love was bittersweet, green on the vine, like strawberry wine. The fields have grown over 9 years since they've seen the blood. There's nothing time hasn't touched. Was it really for the loss of my innocence? I've been missing so much, yeah. Strawberry wine and 17, the hot July noon, for everything. The first taste of love was bittersweet, the green on the vine, like strawberry wine. And 17, the 4th of July moon, for everything. The first taste of love was bittersweet, the green on the vine, like strawberry wine. I hope you liked it. Okay.